Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to stop unwanted advertisement new tabs in Chrome. Click three dots on right top corner, click Settings. Click Advanced. Click Content Settings. Click Cookies. Click Block Third-Party Cookies. Check if any unwanted websites or advertisements comes on new tab while browsing. If same problem persists, reset your browser to default. Click three dots on right top corner. Click Settings. Click Advanced. Click Restore settings to their original defaults. Click Reset settings. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.